Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of 2x plus 6 to the power of 3x plus 14 is equal to 14. Find the value of x. So then the first thing to do is to write this in a way that will be easy for us to solve. So let's say 6 to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x all squared, because we know that when you have a question, an equation like this, is the same thing as a to the power of y and to the power of x plus 6 to the power of x 3 is equal to 14. Now, let 6 to the power of x be equal to y. So this means that wherever you see x, wherever you see 6 to the power of x, you put in y. Here becomes y plus y squared plus y cubed is equal to 14. Now let's look for a number that when we put it in this value of y, we would get 14. So let's try. Obviously, you know that 1 cannot work here, so let's try 2. Let's fix 2 here. So it becomes 2 plus 2 to the power of square of 2 plus 2 cube 14. Let's see if it's equal to 14. Okay, now we have 2 plus 4 plus 8. Is it equal to 14? This is 6 plus 8, and it is equal to 14. Now we know that the value of y here, our y is equal to 2. Therefore, our y is equal to 2. Okay, now let's go back to this place. If our y is 2, we have that 6 to the power of x is equal to y, and our y is 2. So we have 6 to the power of x is equal to 2. So what we'll do now is to do what? Take the log of both sides. Okay, now we say log 6 to the power of x is equal to log 2. Now, if you have log a to the power of x, is the same thing as x log a. So now we'll be having x log 6 is equal to log 2. Now let's divide both sides by, we are looking for the value of x, so we have to divide it by log 6. Divide here by log 6. Log 6, log 6. Therefore, our x is what? Is equal to log 2 over divided by log 6. This is our answer. Bye-bye.